Tired of missing critical Salesforce updates because notifications are buried in confusing menus? Learn to set up custom alerts in under 5 minutes. So here's the deal. If you're like most Salesforce users I've worked with, you probably don't even know there are better notification options hiding in the setup menu. The default settings are, frankly, easy to overlook. And when you miss an important update about a deal slipping through the cracks or a key approval that needs your eyes on it, that's not just annoying, it can actually cost your team time and opportunities. I've been there, digging through menus while a task sits waiting. So let me show you exactly how to fix that. We'll start by accessing Quick Settings, then open Advanced Setup, search for Notifications, and create a custom notification with your preferred channels. Simple stuff. Let's jump in. All right, first thing you want to do is look up at the top right corner of your Salesforce screen. See that little gear icon? That's your Quick Settings menu. Click on that. This is your gateway to almost everything we're about to do, so it's a good spot to remember. Now, in that menu that pops up, you'll see a link that says Open Advanced Setup. Go ahead and click that. This takes you into the deeper configuration area, where we can actually create things from scratch. Think of it as the control room. Next, we need to find the right tool. Once you're in Advanced Setup, look for the search bar at the top of the left-hand navigation. Type the word Notification into that search box. Just the word. It's enough. Salesforce will start filtering the setup options for you. From the search results, click on the option that says Custom Notification. Not Custom Notifications Builder or anything else, just Custom Notification. This is where all the magic happens for creating alerts that actually get seen. Now that you're on the Custom Notifications page, look for a blue button that says New. Give that a click. This is where we start building your alert from scratch. A new window will pop up, asking you to choose the type of notification. This is an important step, so let me explain the difference. You have two options here. The first is Record. This is for alerts tied directly to a specific record, like when an opportunity stage changes or a case gets updated. Perfect for team members who need to act on that exact record. The second option is Generic. This is for alerts about processes or system events that don't tie to one specific record, like when a scheduled job finishes or an integration runs. Pick the one that fits what you're trying to track. In my experience, most teams start with Record, since it's the most common. Make your choice, then click the Next button at the bottom of the window. Now we're into the details. First, type in a notification name. Be clear here, something like High Value Opportunity Alert or Approval Needed Immediately, whatever makes sense for your team. Keep it descriptive so people know what it's for without having to guess. Next is the API name field. You'll notice it autofills based on what you typed. Salesforce does this to keep things consistent behind the scenes. You can customize it if you want, but honestly, I usually just leave the autofill as is. It saves time and keeps everything neat. Just make sure it doesn't have any spaces or special characters. And here's the really important part, the notification channels section. This is where you decide how your team actually receives the alert. You'll see checkboxes for different channels. Mobile Push is great for people who use the Salesforce mobile app and need alerts on the go. Desktop Web sends a browser notification when someone is working in Salesforce. Email sends a traditional email. And there's also a custom notification option that pops up inside the Salesforce interface. I recommend checking at least two: email as a backup and either Mobile Push or Desktop Web for real-time visibility. Select the ones that make sense for your workflow. Finally, click the Done button at the bottom. That's it. You've just created a custom notification that will keep your team informed without digging through menus. Now, that alert won't work automatically. You'll need to link it to a process, like a flow or a process builder, to actually trigger it. But you've built the alert itself, and that's the hard part. You've gone from missing updates to proactively setting up your own notification system. Feels good, right? You're all set to keep your team in the loop and never miss a critical update again.